In a dramatic show of military readiness, the United States Navy has launched a powerful deployment toward the Persian Gulf. A massive carrier strike group, one of the most formidable naval forces on Earth, is now moving across the open waters with a clear mission: reinforce stability and prepare for any possible escalation in the region. As tensions continue to rise across the Middle East, this deployment signals that the United States is ready to respond at a moment's notice. From advanced stealth fighters to guided missile destroyers, this floating fortress represents the cutting edge of American military power. And now, it's heading directly toward one of the world's most strategic waterways. The power of a carrier strike group. At the center of this deployment is a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, a warship so large it functions like a floating airbase. Stretching more than 1,000 feet in length, the carrier can support dozens of fighter jets, helicopters, surveillance aircraft, and thousands of sailors working around the clock. But the carrier never travels alone. Surrounding it is a powerful escort of guided missile destroyers and cruisers. These warships form a protective shield capable of intercepting incoming threats from the air, sea, or even ballistic missiles. Together, this formation is known as a carrier strike group, and it represents one of the most flexible and powerful military assets the United States can deploy anywhere in the world. Jets ready for combat operations. On the flight deck, activity never stops. Highly trained deck crews guide fighter jets into position as the roar of jet engines echoes across the ocean. Within seconds, powerful catapult systems launch aircraft into the sky. Fighter jets such as the F/A-18 Super Hornet are capable of conducting air superiority missions, precision strike operations, and long-range patrols. Each aircraft is equipped with advanced radar systems, precision-guided weapons, and cutting-edge targeting technology. From sunrise to deep into the night, pilots and crew members prepare for continuous operations. Because in modern naval warfare, air dominance is everything. Escort ships form a defensive wall. While the aircraft carrier commands attention, the surrounding escort ships play an equally critical role. Guided missile destroyers sail alongside the carrier, equipped with powerful radar systems capable of tracking threats hundreds of miles away. These ships carry advanced missile defense systems designed to intercept incoming aircraft, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles. Their radars constantly scan the horizon, ensuring the entire strike group remains protected. Together, the carrier and its escorts form a mobile fortress, capable of projecting power across an entire region. Operations day and night. Unlike traditional military bases, a carrier strike group never sleeps. Flight operations continue day and night. Under the glow of deck lights, fighter jets launch into the darkness while helicopters patrol the surrounding waters. Inside the command center, naval officers monitor radar screens and satellite feeds, tracking everything happening across the region. Every movement in the sky or sea is analyzed in real time. This constant vigilance ensures that if a threat emerges, the strike group can respond within minutes. Strategic importance of the Persian Gulf. The Persian Gulf is one of the most strategically important waterways in the world. A significant portion of global energy supplies moves through this region every day. Because of this, maintaining stability in these waters is a top priority for many nations. By positioning a carrier strike group nearby, the United States can rapidly respond to crises, protect international shipping routes, and reassure regional allies. It is a powerful signal of presence and preparedness. The human side of the mission. Behind every advanced aircraft and powerful warship are thousands of sailors dedicated to the mission. Life aboard an aircraft carrier is intense. Crews work long hours in challenging conditions, maintaining aircraft, monitoring radar systems, and coordinating complex operations. Each person plays a critical role in ensuring the entire strike group functions smoothly. From pilots preparing for flight to engineers maintaining the massive propulsion systems, teamwork is essential. Together, they operate one of the most complex military machines ever built. What this deployment signals? Military analysts often view deployments like this as a signal of strategic intent. Moving a carrier strike group into a region does not necessarily mean conflict is imminent. However, it demonstrates the ability to rapidly project military power if needed. In many cases, such deployments are intended to deter potential threats and maintain stability. Simply put, the presence of a carrier strike group changes the strategic balance in any region. Watching the horizon. For now, the powerful fleet continues its journey across the open waters. Fighter jets patrol the skies above while destroyers maintain their defensive formation. Every radar sweep, every launch, and every patrol is part of a carefully coordinated mission. The world will be watching closely as this deployment unfolds, because when a carrier strike group moves into position, it represents far more than just ships at sea. It represents readiness, capability, and the global reach of modern naval power. And in an uncertain world, that presence can make all the difference.